What's up everybody, welcome to the video. If you haven't guessed it, this is an unboxing of a Bambu A1. So we have the A1 Mini, but we needed to get an upgrade. So we got this, excited to open it up. Let's go. So this is it here. We're just gonna get that open and see what we have inside. So this video is just to show you what's inside the box when you buy one of these, what you get with it, and then that's basically it. We've got another video on the channel which shows you how to set this up, so we'll do that. There's also one, we're going to connect up this AMS Lite to it, so a video showing you that too. But this is just for unboxing. So there we go, the stickers on the side, so you need to take the tape off and grab a hold of the bag. And you can lift that up. Or try to lift it up. And there we go, that is it out of the box. Let's take the bag off. So taped to the top here, we have the quick start guide and the actual plate to go on the printer to print onto. Up next we take the cardboard off and we have the spool holder for the filament. So just get that cut off, and there we go. And there's the filament spool holder. And here we go. This is the Bambu A1. So the side here, I'll take these cardboard sides off, and then we have the actual printer. So we'll just lift that up like that. So underneath you have a tube for the filament to go in, and you have some testing filament. Also some discant. And then on one side you have a bag of accessories. So it's the lubricant oil, the different things for the 3D printer for maintenance. So like your tools and screws and stuff like that. So you need to keep a hold of that. In the other side we also have a power adapter. At the side too we also have the little poop chute. And that's it for all the accessories on the side of it. So there we go, that's one section of it taken away. And then now for the other section. There we go. So nothing else left. So that is all that comes in the box. So you obviously have your base here, which is the one that's going to go there. And then you have the actual frame of the printer as well, which is going to go on top of it. So that's the two main bits that come with it. Again, the plug socket, the little poop chute, your filament feeder, your spare filament, your tools, and also your quick start with your actual bed to print on. So that's everything that you get in the box. So hopefully that sort of set your mind at rest. If you're looking to get one of these, you're not sure what's going to come with, that's exactly what it's going to come with. If you bought one and you're missing something, then you'll be able to see exactly what it is. Hope you enjoyed that video. I've had the A1 Mini for quite a while now and I wanted an upgrade so I can get bigger prints on and stuff like that. So that's why I went for the A1. I've got a video coming up as well on how to set this up. So if that's something that you're interested in, check that out. And then you can set your Bambu A1 printer up with me, just like I did. Leave me a comment below, tell me which 3D printer you've got. But until next time, see ya.